Get ready to glide through your bucket list on one of our newest ships, Norwegian Bliss. Race the sun on a thrilling 2-level racetrack at sea, zooming past Alaska's glaciers or Mexico's secluded beaches. Wage a galactic battle under the stars in a family-friendly game of laser tag. Make waves in our aqua park or dare to whoosh over the side of the ship. The splashes come in all sizes in our kids' aqua park. Massage? Sauna? Salt room? Yes, please. Slide into tranquility in our spa and thermal suite. And unwind after a full day of activities back in your stateroom. From studios to family suites, we have accommodations to match every travel style. Look no further than the haven to experience true luxury and exclusivity at sea. Your concierge and private butler await your arrival. The phrase, "a room with a view," is taken to a whole new level with our 2 observation lounges that are custom built for the spectacular. Take in some fresh air and stroll the waterfront, where every seat boasts the best view in the house. Dive into the heart of Norwegian Bliss at 678 Ocean Place. Charge up your morning with a latte and sweeten your afternoon with chocolate truffles. And show the true meaning of friendship by splitting a smoked rack of mouth-watering ribs or sharing fresh guacamole with a side of margaritas. Whether you prefer your cocktail shaken, your wine chilled, or your beer craft brewed, toast extraordinary days and kick off legendary nights at one of our unique bars and lounges. The laughs are continuous and the beats infectious, the atmosphere tantalizing, and the soundtrack always sensational. Whether you're cruising the Mexican Riviera or the wilds of Alaska, there's one way to describe the experiences awaiting you on board: imagine bliss.